work like that in our house. I think the risks that I take on stage have correlated with the risks that I take in the classroom. Through theater, I feel like I found myself, and I think that has expressed itself through my academics.
We performed the show in Scotland, and I was You're a Good Man, Charlie Brown, and I was Linus, and it was one of the first times, that I really felt like I was in the moment of the character and that I could understand better. I definitely think that that's going to be carrying on with me, that skill of putting myself in the shoes of that character.
It's a lot easier because you're playing a role to express yourself and to kind of go outside the box. If you're trying to be someone else, you're almost less vulnerable, and I've become more courageous to be free on stage.
It's an amazing performing arts center. You have the lights, you have the sound editing. The teachers really do care for you, and they really do look after you and want you to succeed.
I've always wanted to be a part of the FBI. Something that drew me to crime investigating, and the FBI in particular, is problem solving and figuring out puzzles. Through theater, you have to put together each scene piece by piece to make a final product, and I think that would really help with problem solving in the crime investigating world.
I want to really be working in politics, and I think theater as a whole has helped me gain my own self-confidence, while also at the same time feeling for other people and looking at the other side, which is something I'm very thankful for.